Okay, looking at the pre-installation. So on the back of the earpad, you can see there is 6 gaps in the plastic frame on the back. And those 6 little gaps are going to fit onto these 6 little plastic clips. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And they just snap into place. You just push down. Okay, so removing the earpads is nice and easy. All you need is your hands. You're going to grip the earpad with your thumb and your fingers here. And you're just gonna, I like to grab the yoke and the casing area here, like so. Not so much the yoke, more the casing. And just pull off like that. So you need about medium strength. All right, so attaching the earpads is nice and simple as well. We're looking on the back here. We can see these gaps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them around. They are gonna go on top of these little plastic bits here all around. So they line up perfectly. So how can we do it? Well, we can put them on the table if we want. Line it up and just kind of push in. I prefer to hold the back, line up the top one and the bottom one, and then start pushing. There we go. That one is in. So when you're pushing, you're just trying to push directly over top of the clip here. So if you remember where they are, you have none on the actual sides, they're all at the top. So 1 and 2 at the top, and then these 2 are above the midsection, and these 2 are below the midsection. So I just try to push in that area right above it, and then it goes on nice and easy. So we'll do it here. Line it up. It's already in. And that is it.
Monty says, test your headphones now. Scan the QR code or use the link to sign up and test your headphones.